What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. We have got an interesting one in this. I've filmed some crazy stuff with my friends and just in general, but this was one that tops the list. We were out at Show Me Skids events, just doing burnouts and having fun, raising toys and money for local hospitals like Skids for Kids USA does. But either way, one of the other things, they had a house on the property that is getting tore down, maybe tore down by now. But they had a car donated to them, and we drove it, tried to drive it through the house unsuccessfully. It went into the house a few times, and then some sketchy other stuff happens. But either way, you'll see that in the video, but make sure you like, subscribe, share with your friends. Let's get to the action. I'll walk with you this thing so don't run it over. Yeah, hey, I'm gonna do that one. I want this not hooked up yet, is it?
Oh yeah, the cable is, yeah.
When you do sketchy shit with your friends.
You're all here at your own risk.
Randy, you're not driving either?
No.
Well, I got a helmet in the car.
Yeah. He was like, I'm getting in. I'm like, oh, dude, no.
So should I just go ratchet strap it down?
I'll probably stay on that side.
You can see the genius. We got a rock here to hold the gas pedal down, steering wheel strapped. Everything should be somewhat safe. I mean, safety's like third on my list for me, personally. I don't ever want to hurt somebody else though.
Off the grass. Off the grass. The cable's like 8.
It's a standby helmet.
Good reaction, yeah, as long as it's good.
Randy, I have a flashlight on your phone.
Okay, cool.
Never mind, Casey got me.
Blew the fucking airbags.
Alright, get the cable. Alright, here we go. I don't like being in.
Woo! Fucking nasty ass airbag dust.
Oh, dude, it smells so bad.
Oh yeah, it's so healthy for you. Oh, airbag dust will kill you.
No, I already got mad about that.
Oh, wow. I gotta fucking get this on the story.
Don't let the roof hit you.
Hold on, let me get the ratchet strap off.
That wasn't as bad as you thought.
He's like wrapped up over the toilet over here.
Someone bring me a knife so I can cut this airbag.
Dude, you're like high sitting on the toilet over here. For real.
We might need a truck to
We
pull
might
it
need
out.
to yank it out. The front wheel's like up on the toilet.
We need to pay.
over the toilet, bro.
Like straight up, the wheels off the fucking ground.
We can definitely
I just hit the fucking toilet with a hammer.
Yeah, get a sledgehammer or something. Just bust the toilet.
How's the toilet not even break, dude?
Like, that's one hell of a toilet, dude.
This thing has to be so far into stuff, dude. This is a 6-foot pole. Okay.
No, it's right there. Cut off.
Didn't even get the radiator. Yeah, dude, that was running great.
It looked worse than it is.
Go all the way through. We'll try. Farther, but
I mean, we keep doing it over and over, though.
we can keep pounding it in there,
Live on
yeah.
the Skids for Kids. Say hi, Randy.
Hey, what?
Skids for Kids page.
Skid for Kids rules!
That's my boss. All right, you guys ready?
Let's
Here,
do it.
Alicia.
What?
Live. Okay.
All right.
All right. Hey, guys, go down there on the other side of the fence.
Yeah, just try not to get killed by the wire. I'm totally doing somebody.
Yeah, so we gotta aim it a little right because it goes to the top.
Here we go.
That was much better.
Yeah.
I like that. Come on.
The bumper's still hanging out, so it wasn't full send.
I mean, I think
That's like a 3/4 send.
I think we can go again.
I mean, it's still running. So,
Turn it off, Casey. Hey, wait, back up. Hold on, wait, Casey, let me get the cable. All right, come on. Come on.
Yeah, she's looking good. I don't know how many more turns she got in her, guys.
Hey, you have to go to the right side of the fireplace.
That's the fireplace.
Yeah, go to the right side of the fireplace and go through the house.
It's an old fireplace, so it ain't moving.
Yeah, we did.
That pole, it may have got smashed all. We should have took the pole out. Yeah.
Yeah. Let's try to get one more run out of it.
Yeah, we will. We can run two. We got. Yeah. And we might be able to get another two.
One more run, we run
Pull that thing out of here. Hey, wait. Hey, you got the rat trap out? Yeah.
Let's fucking do this. The city wanted me to tear it.
yo! Yo! The whole bottom of the oil pan's gone.
Nice.
No, yeah, straight up. I was like, that looks like oil pan hanging. Straight up.
Get your light under there. Let me see.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, nice.
It sounds good for having no oil on it.
Y'all can see that, but the oil pan is gone.
30 more seconds?
They said this 3.1 is like they said it's hard to blow up.
They're indestructible, dude.
So
They're like indestructible.
maybe taking the oil pan off would help that. This is probably why it was.
So that chain is tied to the tree, right?
The chain is tied to the tree.
Okay. You'd probably be fine standing behind it.
Yeah.
Probably fine.
Probably.
You'd probably be fine. We can stand behind it a little bit.
Okay. Okay.
media.
All right, so we're gonna send it third time here. Here we go. We're gonna tell us what we're doing.
Third time. The car has no oil pan. We're hoping to launch one more time. We're a little further back than we've been. We've been err on the side of caution. We're hoping that the chain don't break. Everybody stays safe. That's our goal right now. Here she goes. It's intense. It doesn't seem intense over the phone or whatever, but it is freaking intense. Oh, okay, here we go.
Hell yeah!
It's still going. That's right. Good one, everybody alive over here?
Yeah, we're fine.
Oh, shit, bricks. Okay. Holy fuck.
No, I think the cable.
Here it is. Not the crowd, please. I don't think we can top that.
I think we're done with this now.
Holy shit.
Hey, that's a hard rock moment. I think I need to put on limiter until it blows up, Drew.
Let me get it into the shop parking lot.
It hit both. It hit both sides. Kind of went airborne off of that.
Holy shit. He got hella close to that.
They about took it out.
Oh my god.
Oh, that shit right over on their plow. What do I have on the steering there about?
Bro, he nicked it. He nicked it and then went off the...
Dude, that's got the name recorder.
Bro, imagine if it got stuck 50 feet.